If your life is in need of a transformation, you might want to come and check out the Mettler Center here in Champaign. And joining me now is the Director of Physical Therapy, JT Park. Thanks for having us out here.
Oh, not a problem.
So I love the motto here at the Mettler Center, Whole Life Fitness. We're obviously in the fitness room. Tell us a little bit about the Mettler Center.
Well, Mettler Center, it's, as you have mentioned, our motto is Whole Life Fitness. So basically meaning we're thinking about the whole life of the patient. And a lot of times, patients come into our clinic because they've lost something that they've had. It's because of pain, it's because of inability to do some of the things that they've done before. So that's what brings them to Mettler Center Physical Therapy.
Yeah.
And a lot of times the pain actually originates from what we call the musculoskeletal system, which basically means they have problems with their muscles, their joints, their nervous system sometimes, their bones, they might have a fracture, so they have some sort of issue that they're dealing with. And the main thing is that basically they've lost their ability to do what they once loved to do.
Right, so they need a little rehabilitation.
Correct.
And that's where you come in.
Yes.
Here. You have physical therapy as a focus.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about what physical therapy is, because you hear it all the time. I have to go to physical therapy, I have to do this and that. But what exactly does that mean?
Yes,
what are you doing?
So oftentimes the reason why they do come into our center is because of pain. They have pain. And there's a lot of reasons for pain. Namely, as I mentioned before, neuromusculoskeletal issues, nerves, muscles, bone issues, joint issues, and really the main thing that we're trying to do with them is help them get back their life. And it involves a lot of different things, including what we call manual physical therapy, which is basically helping them get back to the normal movement that they once had, and then helping them to get back to the life activities that they once enjoyed.
Yeah, so what kind of demographic are we looking at here? Who does it, help the most? Is there one age group or in particular?
Oh, we see whole variety. So I can categorize it. For one, we have patients that might have acute injuries, basically meaning they've fallen, they've hurt themselves the past couple of weeks, and they come into our clinic. We have people with chronic pain, people who have just accepted pain all their life, and they think that's what they have to live with, and they want someone to help them. We have another category of patients that come in. They're maybe athletes, so they have overuse injuries. They might be a pitcher on a baseball team, and they throw so much that they inflame their shoulder. We also have weekend warriors, people who haven't exercised for a long time and then hurt themselves. And also, the last category of people I would say that we treat are people that as they age, they might deal with things like arthritis, let's say, and they don't know how to manage it. And as they come to our clinic, we try to help them along. And so we see everyone from young to old, athletes to weekend warriors, from the neck to the spine to the foot, everything.
Okay, so it's fine for any age. However, do you have to have like a doctor's, referral to come and do physical therapy, or is it just something you can say, oh, I'm really sore here, I'm wondering if therapists could help me out?
Sure, so there's a couple of ways you can go about it. Ultimately, you do need a doctor's referral to be fully evaluated and get treated, but we do offer a free consultation. And basically what that is it's a 30-minute consultation to help anyone dealing with some of these issues to figure out the next steps. So what do? They're not sure if they need rest, they're not sure if they need to go to see their doctor. Well, we provide a 30-minute consultation to give them direction towards the next steps.
Okay, and what makes your physical therapy department unique?
I think there's several things. I think the first thing I would have to say is, I've been in a lot of different settings, and this is the place where I feel like I have the best staff. I mean, I'm biased, but...
well, you should be.
Yes, I should be. As a director, I see what these therapists are able to do. They are most of them are doctors of physical therapy, so their skill set is pretty high. Secondly, I would say our setting is very unique. First of all, we do have individualized rooms for really getting to the root of the problem. So when they come in for evaluation, we provide an individualized room setting so that we can actually see what's going on with their dysfunction. And then as we progress them along in their treatments, we do have separate rooms like the functional training room as well as our fitness side where we're able to work on functional training. So our main aim at that point is as they gain their movement back and as we control their pain, they're able to work on some of the function that they have lost from the past and able to work on that. But also we have the fitness side where we're able to use resistive elements to help them get stronger as well. So I feel like our center is very unique in that way. And then lastly, I would say really the setting, the atmosphere of Mettler Center is very unique. Because every person that walks into Mettler Center, we believe we want to make an impact in their lives.
Yeah, transforming lives, all the whole package here.
Definitely.
All right, well thanks so much JT for having us out here.
Thank
If
you.
you need any more information about the Mettler Center, or maybe you have a question about their physical therapy services, definitely head to ciLiving.tv after today's show and we'll get you connected with them.